Sample of house sounds that go on and off in accordance with the transhuman connection to my mind, but also just to the androids or the android inner West City Council workforce that's outside, and even the dogs being provoked into barking. Or some people might say everything's a matrix, so therefore even animals are programmed by the matrix powers that be control us. Depends on how much you want to look at it, or how much of a matrix you think the Earth is, but whichever way you look at it, it is a controlled Earth system by artificial life forms, or by humans that are transhuman and basically transhuman and divine, androgyne controlling, powerful world stage player beings. Sample of daily weird house sound, or strange house sounds. Hope the mobile's picking it up as my ears are picking up these weird vibrations and frequencies coming through the house, or in other words just sound coming through the house, because everything is frequency, vibration and energy, we're told by your top demigod, androgyne, transhuman scientists, and they have transhumanized me to their connection, which is what they are doing to human beings. And if you think that's just the internet or a computer system, or whether you think there is a lot more technology to it, that's up to you. But there is a lot more technology to it. The transhuman so-called idea is in full process and progress, and it's taking place right now. Turned it down now, so as soon as I said that.